Prenatal development of mandible. Mandible is the second bone to begin ossification. Clavicle is the first, which ossify at 5th to 6th week of intrauterine life, and mandible begins at 6th to 7th week of intrauterine life. It involves hybrid bone formation, means two type of bone formation, intramembranous and endochondral. So intramembranous bone forms directly within a sheet of soft fibrous connective tissue. Here mandible use the Meckel's cartilage as a scaffold. Endochondral bone formation, the body create a temporary model out of a hyaline cartilage first and then replace that cartilage with the bone. This is how the condyle is made using secondary cartilages like condyle cartilage. After formation of mandibular branch, a solid rod of hyaline cartilage, which is the Meckel's cartilage, appears extending from the otic capsules to the midline, surrounded by a dense layer of mesenchymal cells. Also, Meckel's cartilage is a map. It does not ossify itself. It gives blueprint from where the mandible will ossify. So ossification start at the bifurcation of the inferior alveolar nerve into mental and incisive branch. From this center, intramembranous ossification spread. It creates trunk that grow anteriorly toward the midline and posteriorly toward the ear. As the trunk grows, it eventually breach over the top of the nerve, encasing inferior alveolar nerve and incisive nerve within the mandibular canal. The basic step is established. Medial and lateral alveolar plate grow upward to surround the developing tooth gum, create sockets for primary teeth. During the development of left side and right side grow toward each other but not actually fuse prenatally. Instead, there is a large gap filled with fibrous cartilage and soft connective tissue, which is called as symphysis mandi. Up until this point, bone of the mandibular body has begun growing right alongside Meckel's cartilage, using it like a ruler, but when it's time to form ramus, bone growth spread backward and upward to the surrounding mesenchyme. So ramus developed by the rapid posterior spread of ossification into mesenchyme of the first arch. Second cartilage is appearance, which is endochondral ossification. So first is condylar cartilage, a 12 to 14 week cone shaped mass of cartilage fuse with the ramus. Then coronoid cartilage appears at the tip of the coronoid process to assist in the attachment of temporalis muscle. This coronoid process disappear after birth. Symphysis mental cartilage is a small cartilage appear at the anterior end of the bone trunk, which ossify and form the mental ossicles at the chin region. Now this prenatal development is related with the functional matrix theory. So development of coronoid process specifically linked to the activity of the temporalis muscle, while mandibular angle influenced by masseter or medial pterygoid muscle. If the muscle do not develop, this bony process will be significantly smaller or absent. Thank you.